Croatia, Ropax and Roro to Embark 1435. Huge fleet, very close to Croatia, Adriatic Sea and also Mediterranean Sea, Italian flag, and we have need of ABs and the junior officers. The advantage is that if you are on board now, cruise, flag of convenience, far away from your family of Croatia. This is a family company, ship owner, #1 in the planet of Roro and Ropax. And Candina is a 5th generation, yes, so this Christmas is like a possibility that if you would like to join this family, here you have Santa present, so apply. We have 4 documents, and it's very important that if you're an AB 3,000 euros, you know the advantages of the Italian social security. You don't need to pay sanitary assistance or the pension plan, and if you are on board 2 years, you become employed by the company directly by Italian law, and you have the biggest unemployment in Europe, which is 2 years on board equals 2 years ashore. And then you must learn about these situations, because each professional AB or junior officer must think in the long term, I believe. Piano piano va lontano. You go slow, you go long. And so you must study this, because it's a very important decision that we bring for you for this Christmas present. So you study. You don't need English, and I don't speak much Italian, so that is the reason why I'm making these videos in English. But we will give you these manuals in Italian, and you must learn, because Italian professionals are #1 in the planet. If you are a woman from Croatia, Italy is the best #1 country where equality started, and so our idea is to have 50% men and women on board, and there is the possibility, because the fleet is so huge and the ships are so modern, to put these females on board and have a very long-term career, because after 2 years you become employed by the company, and then imagine what other benefits you have, and then this is up to you to make this long-term decision. So thank you very much indeed for your time. As I mentioned, then the junior officers is 3,300, 3,400 euros. Not big difference, but that is because you need to learn the manuals and the technical guarantees in the engine, and instructions, everything is in Italian. So you need to learn and make sure that you go up in this company. Huge possibility for the long term. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you like this Christmas present, and like and subscribe. Pass throughout Croatia. At the moment is deck and engine. We will be looking at catering later. If there is any cook for 2,600 euros in the general cargo side, then, and also in the passenger 3,200, we will be ready to study these CVs, but mainly this is for ABs and junior officers. And the junior officers need 3 contracts experience. Thank you very much indeed. If you want to go up the ladder, you can start as AB and then on board. After 1-2 contracts, then perhaps get a promotion to junior officer on board. But this is piano piano, va lontano, long-term career, and a huge ship owner, 2,400 take an engine, and then at home, let's say 60%, so total is about 4,200. It's a huge opportunity. Italian people are the happiest people in this planet, the best professionals, equality, very important. And this is a family we want you to join. Like and subscribe. Thank you, bye, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.